Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl, Izzy, back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, financial literacy, why it matters. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Imagine you're in a kitchen, okay? You've got all these ingredients in front of you: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and a recipe for a cake. Now, if you don't know how to read the recipe or understand how these ingredients work together, you're going to end up with a mess, right? Financial literacy is just like that. It's understanding the recipe for financial success and knowing how to use the ingredients, income, expenses, savings, and investments, to create a delicious financial future. Let's start with the flour. That's your income. It's the base of your cake, the foundation of your financial life. Without it, you can't really make a cake, can you? Understanding your income, where it comes from, how stable it is, and how it can grow is the first step towards financial literacy. Next, we have the sugar, your expenses. Now, sugar makes the cake sweet, but too much of it and your cake is ruined. Similarly, expenses are necessary, but if they exceed your income, you're heading for a financial disaster. Being financially literate means knowing how to balance your expenses with your income and not letting the sugar overpower the flour. Then we have the eggs, your savings. Eggs bind the cake together, giving it structure and stability. Savings do the same for your financial life. They provide a safety net for unexpected expenses and help you achieve your financial goals. Understanding the importance of savings and how to grow them is a crucial part of financial literacy. Finally, we have the butter, your investments. Butter adds richness and flavor to the cake, making it more enjoyable. Investments do the same for your financial life. They help your money grow over time, adding richness to your financial future. But just like butter, investments can be tricky to handle. Too much heat and they can melt away. That's why understanding investments, the risks involved, and how to manage them is a key aspect of financial literacy. So, there you have it, folks. Financial literacy is like baking a cake. It's about understanding the ingredients, income, expenses, savings, and investments, and knowing how to mix them together to create a delicious financial future. It's not just about making money, but about making your money work for you. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to keep up with all things finance, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for tuning in, Money Masters. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about understanding money, it's about using that knowledge to create a better, more secure future for yourself. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering your money. Until next time, this is Izzy signing off. Stay savvy, folks.